Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video I will be showing you how to fix Messenger floating problem. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you are experiencing a floating problem with Facebook Messenger with the chat heads or the floating icons representing ongoing conversations are not behaving as expected, then here are some steps that you can try to fix it. First of all, make sure that you have proper internet connection on your mobile device. You can try switching your Wi-Fi connection as well, and if that still doesn't help you, then ensure that you have the latest version of Messenger app installed. For that, open up the Google Play Store and on the search bar type in Messenger, and if your app is missing out any updates, you will get an update option where I have opened. Simply tap on update, and once the app is updated, open up the Messenger and check whether the problem has been solved or not. And if not, try re-enable chat heads. Sometimes the chat heads feature might get disabled accidentally, which might have been causing the problem. You can re-enable it by going into the Messenger application settings. For that, open up the Messenger, then tap on three-line icon from the upper left corner. From there again, tap on settings icon. Scroll down a bit, and under preferences, you will get chat heads. Make sure that you have enabled that. In order to do so, you have to go to settings as well. Tap on go to settings. Now you have to allow this display over other application settings. Here scroll down and tap on Messenger. Then tap on this toggle that says allow Messenger over other application. Turn on that. Again head back to Messenger. And once you have re-enable your chat heads, check whether the problem has been solved or not. And if that's not the case, then you can try clearing the cache for Messenger application on your device. For that, open up the settings on your device. Then tap on apps. Again tap on Messenger. That will take you to app info page. From here, tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. That will clear the zonk files related to Messenger on your device, which will help you out to solve the problem. Then check whether the problem is solved or not, and if clearing the cache doesn't work, then the last solution that you can try is simply uninstall and reinstall the Messenger application. Once you uninstall the application, install the Messenger application from Google Play Store and log into your account again, and that will help you out to solve the issue. So this is how you can fix the floating problem in Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any other further updates from our channel. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.